Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Bikram and today I am going to show you the rural lives of Lower Assam, which is a state in India. Our destination is Baksa district. We are going to Nagrijuli village. I am going with my father. We are going through the town Koyakuchi. Now I will show some clips. The valley through which we are going is also very beautiful. I appreciate it very much. Now we are in Koyakuchi. This town is in Borpeta district. This town has a big market. It is hardly 15 km away from Borpeta. As we are going, we can see mustard crop. The yellow color of mustard covers the plate, which makes it attractive and very beautiful. Many bamboo trees are also growing here. These trees are very long and huge in size. Now we are in Bhawanipur town. This is a huge and famous place in Borpeta district. Bhawanipur Satra, a place of religious prayers, is situated here. It is hardly 12 km away from Koyakuchi. From here we went to National Highway number 31. National highways, as we all know, connects important capitals, places and even various states for fast and easy transportation. One of the most used highways in Assam is National Highway number 31, providing good roadways. It starts from a place called Barhi, which is situated in the state Jharkhand, and ends at Amingaon, Assam. constructed bridge. The construction of this new bridge was being done the very previous year. The bridge goes over a railway track. When the bridge was not there, we had to wait whenever train crosses the way. But now the train can go freely and the cars need not to wait for the train just because of the construction of this new bridge. Now we are in the district headquarters of Bojali district, which is Pathshala. Pathshala is a small town in Assam. The name is derived due to the availability of the most number of private schools in entire Lower Assam. This town is also famous for its Devdhani dance. These dances are very ancient, having a long and old history. Pathshala is also famous for many other things. Now we are in Patasarkusi, which is a town in Bojali district. The name is derived from Patsarkuchi or King's Place. The Ahoms also made the town an administrative center. The town is placed on the banks of the river Kaldia. The place is very beautiful and attractive, as you can see in my video. Now we are in Boroma town. Boroma town, which is located in Baksa district, is famous for its culture and attractive places. From here, a road which separates goes to Tezpur. It is one of the way through which you can go to Tezpur. Nalbari town, Nalbari district. Nalbari town is the district headquarters of Nalbari district in Assam. The name is derived from two words which are as follows: Nal and Bari. Nal is a variety of long grass which grows in or near water, while Bari is the ground or the place where it is grown. Thus the name Nalbari. There are also many tourist attractions in Nalbari like Hari Mandir, Kamrup Sanskrit Sanjeevani Sabha, Bileshwar Temple, Sripur Devalay, Vasudev Devalay, and other temples. You can visit these temples. Now, as soon as we reached Nalbari, after that we separated our way and went to the Baksa district. Now we have entered Baksa district. The district is bounded by Bhutan in north, Barpeta, Nalbari and Kamrup in south, Udalguri in east and Chirang in west. One of the most famous tourist attraction of Baksa district is Manas National Park, which is situated in this district. This is one of the tourist attractions in here. People also come here to picnic in Bogamati picnic spot. It is famous for beauty scene and other things. Phangtar is another scenic location in Baksa district. People also come here to enjoy the scenic views. This district is having great scenic views as shown in my video. Now we are going to Nagrijuli. a small village which is situated on the banks of the river Baralia. This area is also filled with thrilling beauty scenes everywhere. You can see these beautiful scenes in my video. Now we are in Tamulpur town. Tamulpur is a town in Baksa district. The name is derived because of the Tamul or Erica nuts trees which are grown there. Eating Erica nut and betel leaf is common in Assam. Erica nut is also known as tambul or supari, whereas betel leaf is also known as pan. Now let us talk about tea gardens. The beautiful tea gardens are the most famous aspect of Lower Assam. As you know, tea is grown in Assam in a large amount till now. The beauty of these gardens are unbelievable. The whole plot of area is covered with green blanket of tea plants grown in both sides of the road. With this scenic view, you enter Bogamati picnic spot, which is a famous tourist attraction. As explained earlier, now we are going to have our lunch. Showing you the distances from various places of Assam to Baksa district. Now, I want to share my experience with you. The rural areas of Assam were covered with various types of crops like mustard, rice, bamboo, erica nut, and also tea gardens. Many of the areas are connected with highways and good roadways, but some villages are not having pakka roads. There are also less petrol pumps and restaurants on the way. Now we are returning to Borpeta. I shall meet you again.